This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with the prop rod. Loosen and remove the cable nut from the remote battery ground terminal, then disconnect the remote negative battery cable. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Wrapping electrical tape around the exposed cable end is also a good idea while work is being commenced. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the left front wheel lug nuts. Then, raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the left front wheel. Remove the battery splash shield from the fender well by turning the 4 plastic fasteners 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Unscrew the cable bolt, then disconnect the cable from the negative battery terminal. Unscrew the cable bolt, then disconnect the cable from the positive battery terminal. Remove the battery retaining bracket fasteners, then remove the bracket. Remove the battery from the fender well. Be careful, it's heavy. Clean out the battery tray from dirt and debris, then install the new battery. Install the battery retaining bracket and fasteners. Tighten the fasteners securely. Connect the cable to the positive battery terminal, then install the cable bolt and tighten it securely. Connect the cable to the negative battery terminal, then install the cable bolt and tighten it securely. Install the battery splash shield to the fender well and secure it in place with the fasteners. Install the left front wheel and lug nuts, then lower the vehicle. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Connect the remote negative battery cable to the stud terminal on the body. Screw on the cable securing nut and tighten the nut securely.